Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x0003 Nvidia GeForce experience error, that is something went wrong. So if you are receiving this error message while launching Nvidia GeForce experience, then please follow the steps which I am providing to fix this problem. Now the first step is to start all the Nvidia services. So in order to start all the Nvidia services, go to the start menu and then type in services. Just type in services in the Windows search box and then click on services app. Over here just press the letter N, and then over here you will see all the Nvidia processes which are running. All the services you can see, it's Nvidia display container, Nvidia local system container, Nvidia network service container. So just make sure that all the services are running. So any one of the services which is not running, just make a right click, then click on start. So my third services, which is Nvidia network services container, is not running. So let me make a right click, then click on start. Okay, so just make sure all the services are running over here. And for Nvidia display container, just make a right click, then click on properties and make sure that it is set to, under logon you will see it is set to local system account. So put a check mark over here, allow service to interact with desktop, and click on apply and OK. Do the same thing with Nvidia network service container. Make a right click, go to properties, go to logon, check local system account, allow service to interact with desktop, click on apply. After that you have to restart your computer, then click on OK. Now restart your computer and then check the GeForce experience. Now in case that does not resolve the problem, then you have to do a clean install of Nvidia drivers manually. So open Google Chrome, and in the Google search box you can just type in Nvidia drivers. Nvidia, just type in Nvidia drivers. Then click on download drivers Nvidia. Now over here manually select your graphic card. So whatever graphic card, you have to select that particular product type. So mine is GeForce, so I'll select GeForce. If you're not sure about your graphic card, then you can open device manager. Just type in device manager in the Windows search box. Type in device manager, and over here you will see device manager. Just click on it, and then you will see the device manager on the screen. Expand the display adapters. Expand the display adapters from here, and then you can see I have Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050. Same way you can check your card. So it's Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050. So let me select the same graphics over here on the website. So I have GeForce, and I have the GeForce 10 series because it's 1050. So I'll select GeForce 10 series, and it's GeForce GTX 1050. Mine is GeForce GTX 1050. So select your card. I have 1050. Yeah, so I have selected 1050. Yeah, 1050. My window is Windows 10 64-bit game ready driver, and then click on search. So select your graphic card over here, then click on search, then you will see the download option. Click on download. Now over here you will see this download option once again. Now before you download this driver from here, just make sure that you uninstall the current installed GeForce driver on your computer. So just in the Windows search box, just type in apps and features. Apps and features. Type in apps and features. On the top you will see apps and features. Just click on apps and features. Now I scroll down and find GeForce Experience. Okay, here you can find Nvidia GeForce. So click on it, then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click on yes to allow. And here you can see it's uninstalling. Yes, click on yes, uninstall. Yeah, click on close. Then restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power, then click on restart. So after the computer is restarted, again type in Nvidia drivers in Google search box, and then click on download drivers, and just select the same way we have selected the card before. So yeah, it's already selected. My card is already selected. Click on search, then click on download, then again click on download. A exe file will download on the bottom. Let the download complete. It's a big file, so let it complete. Once the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now agree to the terms and condition. Click on agree and continue. Now over here you have express and custom option over here. So select the second option which says custom advance, then click on next. And over here you have an option. There is a box to put a check which says perform a clean installation. So put a check over here. We will do a clean installation. So put a check over here, then click on next, and let the installation complete. It will first remove the previous version, then it will install the current version. Once the installation is complete, you will see the screen with both the boxes checked out, which says create desktop shortcut, and the second one is launch Nvidia GeForce experience. Click on close. And here you can see the GeForce is launching on the screen. You can log in with your email account, and the GeForce should start working without any problem. So after running all the services, if the issue is not resolved, do a clean installation of GeForce driver, and that will take care of the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.